Today, in this video, I'm gonna be rolling for T-Rex fruit. Give me good luck. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And let's just get started with the video. Hopefully get T-Rex. Alright, it's time to open the presents. Let's see what we get. Alright, come on. Keep on opening it. Alright, time to open it. What do we get? Rocket. Before we roll our fruit, I just want to show you guys that I rolled spider before this, and I rolled the dough. So let's hope the luck keeps on going. Let's see what we get in our next roll. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's see what we get. Spin. Okay. Maybe next roll. I forgot to record this, but I just rolled quake fruit from the gacha. So my luck is getting better. Alright, time to open up the present, and we get Spike, of course. Alright, time to roll the blocks for gacha. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. 2 in a row, bro. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's see what we roll. Sand. Not bad. I just forgot to record this, but I just rolled love fruit, so I love this game. Alright, let's see what we roll. Ice fruit. You know, not the worst fruit, not the best, but it's better than Spike. Alright, I know none of you are gonna believe me, but I just rolled spirit fruit. Let's go, spirit. #1 spirit user. Let's go. Alright, let's see what we roll. Let's see what we roll. Stupid spring! I just rolled Buddha fruit. Yay! Let's go. #1 Buddha user. Alright, first roll in the third seed. Let's see what we get. Come on. Third seed luck. Why do I keep on getting spike fruit, bro? The third seed luck is insane. Oh my. Second seed luck. I just rolled portal. This is the second seed luck. Yo, let's go second seed. Alright, I gave third seed another chance and I got love fruit. No, third seed's getting better. Alright, I just rolled Buddha fruit again in third seed. Third seed is getting better. Let's go. I know you're not gonna believe me, but I just rolled spirit again. Let's go. Too easy. I'm the best spirit fruit ever user. Don't mind the diamond. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go. Let's see it. T-Rex fruit. Let's go. I did it. I completed my mission. T-Rex fruit. How much rolls? I don't know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.